Got a serious case of charger overload? Facing a full-blown outlet crisis? Charging like it's 2009? No good. No more chaos. The Anker 140W charger is here for only $89.99, and you can charge like it's 2025. All infomercial jokes aside though, the struggle is real. So I went hunting online and boom, this little beast from Anker pops up. At first I was like, 140 watts, 4 ports with an LCD display? Tell me more. Here's what makes the charger stand out. Feel free to pause the video if you want to take a closer look. It's a 140 watt charger, which is more power than I currently need, but it gives me some nice future proofing. The size is a bit larger than my other power bricks, but now I'm using 1 instead of 3 or 4. It's roughly the size of a deck of cards. At 275 grams, the weight isn't bad either. In fact, it has a nice solid feel in the hand. As for the ports, USB-C 1 and 2 both deliver up to 140 watts, while USB-C 3 maxes out at 40 watts and USB-A tops out at 33 watts. For the power distribution, there are a ton of ways the wattage splits depending on what you plug in. Go ahead and pause the video to see the full breakdown. I bought this charger because I wanted one charger to power my DJI batteries, phone, GoPro, and earbuds all at once. This handles it no problem. Instead of using 4 chargers, I now use 1. It's compact, reliable, and perfect for travel or home. What I absolutely love about this charger is the built-in LCD display. It shows real-time total wattage, per port wattage, the temperature, and even total hours it's been used. I didn't think I needed this info, but now that I have it, I check it constantly, and it's oddly satisfying. This charger offers enhanced value through features like Active Shield 2.0, GaN technology, and a 240 watt USB-C cable. Active Shield 2.0 delivers advanced protection by continuously monitoring temperature over 3 million times a day. GaN, which stands for gallium nitride, has components that offer a more compact, efficient design with improved thermal performance and safety. Anker includes a 5-foot USB-C cable rated for 240 watts. While I might not fully utilize its capacity, it's a high-quality inclusion. Now, should you buy it? Here are my top pros and cons. Pro, it's 140 watts, has 4 ports, and a really cool display. Now the cons for me are, it's pricey at $90, doesn't dually charge the DJI flip batteries, and a minor one is there's no travel case to protect the screen. For me, this replaced 4 other chargers. It simplified my setup, powers all my devices fast, and gives me insight through the display. If you're juggling multiple devices, tired of charger clutter, and get over the price, this is absolutely worth it. That's why this Anker charger is a step above all the other chargers and now my go-to charger. So that's it for this quick 3-minute review. Let me know in the comments, would you replace your charger setup? I'll put a link in the description to find the charger if you're interested in buying it. Until next time, enjoy.